The Lian Li A3X-WD Chassis is a versatile micro-form factor case that supports various power supply configurations, including ATX, SFX, and SFX-L, allowing for flexible build options. Its design features steel mesh side and top panels, promoting excellent airflow and cooling potential for high-performance components. A unique wood front panel adds a touch of elegance and style, setting it apart from typical metallic cases. It can accommodate M-ATX and ITX motherboards and supports large graphics cards up to 415 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with powerful gaming setups. The case allows for impressive cooling solutions, supporting up to a 360 millimeter radiator and 10 120 millimeter fans, making it ideal for enthusiasts who prioritize thermal management. Collaborating with Dan Cases, Lian Li has crafted a modular design that offers both aesthetic appeal and functional flexibility, making it a standout choice for custom PC builders.